subscribers. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thanks to all my loyal supporters. Thanks to the newcomers. Big up on yourself. I am back with another video. And today I'm here with my friends. We're having a cookout. It's raining, but guess what? Rain or sun, we're doing thing. We know what we are doing. Alright? So we just prepare. We're prepping the things that we're going to use. Yeah, we're gonna drink some, we're gonna cook some soup with cow skin chicken foot. Yeah. And we're gonna do some curry chicken and stew chicken with rice and peas and with vegetable and all of that. And we have a liquor for drink and everything. We're gonna full joy ourselves. Rain or sun. So continue to watch this video. So we're there on a back step. We have 2 cold stove. Yeah, we are waiting for 2 more. So you know, said this the soup pot having the peas already with some garlic. Yeah, and we'll get this ready. We're gonna put the cow skin for go and pressure on this. Meanwhile, then we put it in here. So once it start boiling, we're gonna put it in the chicken foot them. Yeah, and then the cow skin are gonna go and pressure. All right. Over here, so now, see there, cow skin. See cow skin, man, there. I clean up the cow skin and cut it up. Say something, no, man. Man.
Buck up in now.
Alright, cow skin. Yeah, buck up in now when I make with the sweetie, me know. But guess what? Cow skin can go in there, buck up in there too. Alright, chicken foot. Good. And me go and cut up the pumpkin and something and them something they for go in there. Alright, Kupi, big up yourself. Say hi to the vlog. Alright, see friend number 1 there. Over there, sir. This is who? Oh, that's them. No. Baby. Auntie baby, say hello. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, baby. Alright. Agnes, Bella. Check out the video them. Long term, short term, and what? Shooter drink. Hey, Bella, turn up that enough. Shooter drink. Bella can't decide how much count she have. Alright? So check it out. Kim Petit soon coming at the house. Alright? Yeah. Mommy Jess, pick up herself. She run me away. She run me away, but she's still there. Yeah, see music, that's who set up music. You know what Saturday and things, so we just wait for church for over and all of them stuff there. Say hello, baby. Hi. Alright, chicken again sort out. Chop up, chop. Chop. Come again, daddy. Chop it again, make we see. Yeah, walk through the shadow, the valley of the shadow of death. Yeah, we soon suck this down. Alright. Why if that suck down there? We so consumed. Wow, guys, it's raining outside. It's raining outside, but nevertheless, pressure pot the on fire there, and peas pot, soup pot with peas in there, yeah, and some pumpkin and veggies. Yeah, man, it's a bubble up. Pressure coming to us. Pressure. Alright, so the veggies ready. Toss vegetable salad and some coleslaw. Alright, so the veggies ready. Alright, curry chicken. You see your curry pretty? Yeah, cook curry. Curry pretty. Simmer down. So we soon put some onion and some something on that. Simmer down. Whoa. Keep it here. Yeah, girl. Stew sell off. Alright, stewed chicken there. Go on with itself. Trust me. The kitchen smell nice. Smell nice. Alright. So here guys, the music starts playing. So you know we have to do what we have to do. So here the soup finish, and we were sharing and drinking our soup. We meal also finished, so we're having a meal, enjoying our meal. The soup was so hot, guys. It was so hot. Those cups burning. I know some of us didn't bother with the cup. We use soup bowls. It was a lot of soup, so we could drink again. Alright, this is the food time here. Now everybody enjoying their meal, and we were just talking about how delicious it was. It was good. Everybody enjoyed their meal. Our baby Kezari enjoy. It's my friend there. She don't want a box. She said she don't want no food in a box. Plate she a deal with it. Box can't hold the amount of food she wants. And there I am, enjoying my meal. Sorry, veggie, rice and peas. Oh, this is where the party starts. This is where the party starts. Everybody enjoying themselves. We all enjoyed ourselves.